Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something kind of interesting to talk about, Ubuntu 25.10 and its potential codename. So let's dive into it. So Canonical's marketing team just dropped a tweet and they mentioned something about an adjective plus animal moniker. They asked, will Ubuntu 25.10 be codenamed the Quizzical Quokka? Yeah, you heard that right. But here's the twist. They tweeted this on April 1st, April Fool's Day. And that kind of makes you go, wait, is this for real or just a prank? I mean, let's break it down. Quizzical is a pretty quirky word. It means like confused, baffled, or perplexed. And honestly, those aren't exactly the words I'd use to describe a rock solid operating system like Ubuntu. It almost sounds like they're hinting at some playful mystery. Like maybe the code name is a nod to a bit of humor, or maybe it's a clue that something unexpected is brewing. And then there's the quokka part. For those of you who aren't familiar, a quokka is this super cute small wallaby from Western Australia. They've got this adorable little face, short tail, and even some tree climbing skills. Plus, it's a solid choice because it's definitely not a bird, which is a good thing if you're looking to mix things up a bit. Now, we all remember the old days when Ubuntu code names actually had like deeper meanings. Think Hardy Heron and all that. But nowadays, it seems like the code names are more about fun and creative vibes. So, if Ubuntu 25.10 ends up being called the Quizzical Quokka, are we getting a cool new name or is it just a cheeky April Fool's joke by someone at Canonical? What do you think? Is this codename going to satisfy your craving for something cool and quirky, or does it leave you wondering what the folks over at Ubuntu are like drinking? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know your take on this. Alright, that's it for today, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.